Hey everyone! Welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and greatest tech on the market. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best action cameras in 2025 that will take your adventures, vlogs, and memories to the next level. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so you don't miss any of our future reviews. And if one of these cameras catches your eye, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Taking the 5th spot is the DJI Osmo 360 camera, a powerhouse designed for creators who demand next-level visuals. It packs a groundbreaking 1-inch 360-degree imaging sensor that captures brilliant detail, even in low-light environments, making it perfect for cityscapes at night or early morning adventures. With native 8K 360-degree video recording for up to 100 minutes and ultra-smooth 4K 120 frames per second boosted action shots at a 170-degree field of view, it delivers truly immersive footage. Photographers will love the 120-megapixel 360-degree photo capability, allowing breathtaking, lifelike panoramas in a single tap. At number 4, we have the Insta360 GO 3S. The tiny but mighty vlogging companion that redefines portability. Despite its small size, this camera delivers crisp 4K hands-free POV shots with its wide-angle megaview lens that minimizes distortion. The Action Pod enhances usability with a large 2.2-inch flip screen, remote control, live preview, and up to 140 minutes of battery life, even while charging during shooting. Flow state stabilization and horizon lock guarantee butter-smooth footage, no matter how extreme the action gets. Thanks to its magnetic mounting system and versatile accessories, you can attach it almost anywhere, unlocking creative angles no other camera can match. Plus, it's rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters, or as deep as 60 meters with the dive case, making it ideal for underwater exploration. Securing the 3rd spot is the Insta360 X4. An 8K ready 360-degree action camera that takes immersion to a whole new level. It records in stunning 8K, or smooth 5.7K at 60 frames per second, with active HDR ensuring colors stay accurate in any lighting. What sets it apart is its effortless AI-powered reframing feature. Shoot first, then adjust your perspective later inside the Insta360 app, giving you total creative freedom. Coming in at number 2, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro pushes the boundaries of action videography with its advanced 1/1.3-inch sensor that shines in low light, making it perfect for nighttime biking or city exploration. Powered by a new 4nm chip, it offers precise subject tracking to keep fast-moving scenes perfectly framed, whether in 16:9 or 9:16 formats. Voice control lets you stay hands-free while capturing the action, and its dual OLED touchscreens give you flexibility whether you're vlogging or framing epic shots. And finally, taking the crown as the #1 action camera of 2025 is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Known for its legendary durability and unmatched performance, this flagship camera raises the bar with stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and sharp 27-megapixel still photos. The Hero 13 now supports GoPro's new HB series lenses, unlocking advanced creative potential with expanded field of view and precision clarity. Its improved battery life ensures you can capture more of your adventures without constant recharging, while the waterproof and rugged design continues GoPro's legacy of surviving the toughest environments. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, vlogger, or outdoor enthusiast, the Hero 13 Black stands as the ultimate all-around action camera that every creator should have in their kit.